Hi, everybody. I wanted to create this short video to show you how to add documents on your Google Binder index page. Now you have the visual guide and now you've got this video to show you how to do this. The quick steps are here, and further down in the visual guide are the visual guide steps. But rather than going through all of these steps, which you can go through on your own, I will take through the live version. So here's the live version. So the first part is to have your digital binder open. So I'm going to click on my digital binder. So your digital binder folder should look something like this, right? You've got your index page, the module development page, the reflections. Most of you have already completed this. Then you need to have your digital binder index page open, and I've got mine open here. You can see in this upper part here, I have not yet linked these documents here, but each one of these places that say link should be linked to those inner pages. Now, most of you have already done that, so you see how to do the linking. And again, the other video can show you how to link those documents. But the one section I haven't shown you is to how to link these grade level sections here, and then linking the resource sharing documents as well. So let me take a second now to show you how to do that. On your digital binder index page, there are links to all the curriculum guides you need. These are the entire curriculum, or the entire frameworks and the entire standards, but your job is just to pull out the grade level that you're working on. So let me just give you, I'll do two examples for you. So let's say we're going to do the ELD framework. And let's say that I'm doing third grade. So I'm going to click on this link and open it up, and you can see on this page, here's the ELD framework. And you can see it's organized by chapters, right? Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4. You can see that Chapter 3 is kindergarten through grade 1. Chapter 4 is grades 2 and 3, and so on from there. Now I'm doing grade 3, so I only need this section called grades 2 and 3. So I'm clicking on that document. It opens up the PDF of that, and then I'm clicking on the download button, and it's going to download into a folder that I created, chapter 4, but I'm going to add here grade 3 so that I know it's grade 3, and save that document here. Now I know I have got that document on my computer now, so I'm going to close out of this section because I don't need it anymore. But the next step is to get it into my digital binder here. So to do that, I've opened up my digital binder folder. I go over here to new, and I choose file upload. And then I've got to go to where I put this, which is in my downloads folder. Here's my example. And that was the ELA, so I'm going to grab that and put it in here. So you can see that it takes a minute to upload, and then the document will show up here. There it is right there, ELA. And if I want to rename it, I could rename it. So then the next step is to get those ELD standards down into this section here. So here's the ELD ELA standards, the link by grade level. So I paused a minute because I needed to make sure I knew which document I just downloaded. So I'm going to change this name here. I'm going to click on it and do a right mouse click and rename so that I know that this is the framework, but I want to put it in bigger letters so I know that this is the framework. And so I've got that there. And then I need to put the framework document for third grade right down here. Here's the ELD framework grade level. So I need to link to my third grade level right here. In order to do that, I have to go back to my folder. I click on the document, do a right mouse click, and click on Get Link. And it's going to pop open with this, and then I've got to copy the link, click on Done, and then go to my digital binder index page, highlight link to my grade level only, and I'm going to do a right mouse click link. You can do edit link, but this pops up, and then paste my link in there, and then it's linked. Now, I can, once I've got my link there, I can put third grade here, right? I don't need all this other wording, but it's up to you. As long as the link goes to your grade level, that's what's important. So I've got my third grade level right there. So that's the process to download and then upload different documents. I'll do one more. Since I already did this one, I'll upload it here. So I'm going to go to New, File, Upload. And the other thing I downloaded was the History Social Science Framework for third grade. And again, once it's uploaded here, I'm going to rename it so that I know that this is the framework for grade 3. I get the link, copy the link, done. Go back to my digital binder. This is the History Social Science Framework. So here's the History Social Science Framework. So I'm going to paste the link here and save it there. So that's how to upload and put in the links for the PDF. Now, the one that is done differently is the History Social Science Standards. If you go to the History Social Science Standards link, you get the entire standards, but I don't want you looking at the entire standards. I just want you to look at your grade level. So I've put all of those in a grade level Google Doc for you right here. On the grade level Google Doc, every grade level is linked. Now I'm doing third grade, so I'm just going to click on the third grade section, which is going to take me just to the third grade. And then all I'm doing is highlighting all the third grade stuff. And some grade levels, there's more. Some grade levels, there's less. You'll just have to see. So once it's all highlighted, I'm going to copy that. I'm going back to my Google Binder. I've got to create a folder or a document just for that. So I'm opening my Google document here and then pasting it right here. And then after it pastes, then up here, I'm going to put HSS Standards grade 3. So then once I've done that, then I need to grab the URL here, go back to my digital binder, go down to where my standards are, History Social Science Standards grade level, and then put the link here. So that's how you copy and paste and move things for your digital binder index page for this section here. I also want you to link the grade level resource sharing document and the cultural group resource sharing document that you can find on the agendas, as well as linked on in a variety of other places. So that's how you link that part of your digital binder index page.